Good morning. You guys, I'm just seated in front of the house and watching my children. Let me show you my kids. I'm watching my kids and I'm also waiting for my items from my 12 market. Let me show you. Hey. Hey. Hello guys, welcome to year one. So I'm just seated outside and I'm also waiting for my item from my 12 market, because once it comes I'm heading downstairs. That's why I even carried them. In fact, that's why I even told them to go downstairs. I'm not the one that carried them. I just opened the door and told them to go downstairs and go and play, because I'm waiting for my tomato, my pepper, my onions, everything. So of course I'm going to do the stock up. For there will be a lot of noise and a lot of what they call it. You know, my 12 now, the market will be, I don't know if this thing is clear. So I was saying, sorry, a tanker is passing, but I feel like this is part of just even living in Nigeria. Yeah, there's always noise around your vicinity. Trailer, cow, sheep, duck, kuru, whatever it is. But I'm waiting. You know that my 12 market now is a lot cheaper. The tomato, the foodstuffs are a lot cheaper. It's January, you know, foodstuffs are a lot cheaper right now. A crate of tomato is about 10,000 naira. No, so I just sent for it. I told you guys that I'm not gonna go into that market. I'm not gonna go into that market, so I just sent for it and I'm waiting for it to come so that myself and Onyi also bought as well. So we are sharing the items so that myself and Onyi and then my girls will just clean everything downstairs, parboil it, and then start blending and storing in the freezer. But yeah, you guys, that's why I'm just seated out. Kaito, if you pluck that mango, if I get you with that mango, if not, you carry your bicycle and start coming back upstairs. My children are just obsessed with this mango that is growing and it's growing so much. The tree is such a fruitful tree, so you can literally see the fruits of the mango literally like it's almost their height. There are a lot of mangoes that are almost their height. Maybe when I go downstairs I'll show you guys, but yeah, you guys, make I just finish with what I did. Do I need to head downstairs? I'm just waiting for the guy. The guy is almost here. The guy that is bringing the items. Once he gets here, we just get straight into cleaning. I hope you guys have been enjoying this video thus far. Back to Bomsi, the homemaker.
A few moments later.
It's you that pour water. You that pour water. I was waiting for this and it has finally come. And one big mistake that I made was that tomatoes was the most important thing that I wanted to buy today. Not really the most important thing, but I wanted to buy tomatoes. And while I was negotiating with them, I told them I wanted UTC tomatoes. Say they don't have UTC tomatoes. That the only tomatoes that they have is Zaira tomatoes. And Zaira tomatoes, I like it, but I don't really like it as much. If you put UTC and you put Zaira tomatoes, I will pick UTC tomatoes because Zaira tomatoes brings out a lot of water. Like you can put it inside the sack right now. Bringing it to this location, water has filled the tomatoes. Like it does not last as much as UTC tomatoes will be so strong. It will last even when it comes to you after a long journey. You can pick out like 80% strong ones out of it, but not Zaira tomatoes. They are like premature babies. They behave like premature babies. Any small stress, they squeeze, all the water has come out of it. So while I was negotiating all of those things, I did not remember to tell her that, okay, just bring the Zaira tomato that you cannot find UTC in the market. Bring the Zaira like that. Once it comes, I'll quickly just boil it and blend it. So why are you lying down on the floor? Sit up now. So in the bid of all those negotiations, I didn't know that I didn't tell them not to pack, what they call it, the tomato for me like that. I would have managed it. And it has just spoiled my mood because I wanted to clean everything, wash everything, and now put them inside the freezer the way we usually do, just section them inside the freezer and we'll just be using them like that. But anyways, let's go get into how much I bought each item. So this was a bowl of tatashe, and this bowl of tatashe, this is the quantity it came out to be. This bowl of tatashe was 15,000 naira. That's how much I bought it.
Mommy, this one is big.
Yeah, see, it's sizable, not big, but it's sizable. Of course, I've gotten back into cooking and every other thing. This cabbage, I told them just one. I mean, they didn't see Jara and give to me. But this shambo, all of this shambo was 15,000 naira. But this is 7,500 naira worth. Yeah. So it's 7,500 naira worth because this is 7,500 naira worth that is here. Because in that place, on its own is there. So what I'm just using, we shared it into two. So what I paid was 7,500, while she paid 7,500. All of these onions is 5,000 naira because a bowl of it was 10,000 naira. So we are sharing it half. So all of these onions is 5,000 naira. This sweet potato, all of it is 10,000 naira. Abi? No, all of it is 5,000 naira because a half sack of it, the sack is 20,000 naira. So we bought half sack to share. So all of this one is 5,000. Only two has her own 5,000. I should actually make yam and sweet potato porridge. Then this carrot was 1 kg for 3,000. All of this bell pepper, I don't know why they did not put green pepper here. All of this bell pepper was 10,000.
Mommy, there's green
and this
pepper
corn, no, this one is tatashi. And this corn is the most ridiculous thing. I've seen it. This corn is the most ridiculous thing. But anyways, when you send someone to the market, you will not expect them to buy things just the way you will buy them. If it was my assistant I sent to the market, I know for sure that, this is not what I would have gotten for 5,000 naira. I told them they should add me sweet corn and coconut because that's what I was craving to just eat. This corn is 5,000 naira. Like 4 pieces of this corn. 4 pieces of this corn is going for 5,000 naira. Unbelievable. Then all of these green peas is 3,000 naira. Spring onions, 1,000 naira. I told them to buy me 1 cabbage. I don't know why they bought me 2, but they charged me 1,000 naira for the cabbage. So I guess the 2 is 1,000 naira. Maybe they're trying to do it as a compensation for this one. Then this coconut, one of it was 1,000 naira. Lagos. One of it was 1,000 naira. So I bought 4 pieces. That's 4,000 naira. So yeah.
Mommy,
this is everything. My girls, they will still have to go to the market to buy tomato because
to buy 1. I
didn't forget to buy anything. But anyways, guys, this is everything for now. My girls, they will head to the market to buy the tomato because we need to just put everything together, boil everything together, blend it and section it and keep. I don't have to worry about tomato. But yeah, that's about it. And let's head downstairs to start cleaning and washing. But first of all, we'll put this on fire because that's what I'm going to eat this morning.
A few moments later.
You guys, I was trying to negotiate, with the errand person I sent to get me things from my 12 market, if she could help me just buy tomatoes. But myself and all you just decided that tomatoes is in season and it's very cheap. What's the worst that could really happen? Let's just head into the market and just buy tomatoes. So yeah, we came into the market and I came with my little baby Kaima because Kaito went to barb his hair. So we came to buy tomatoes. Yeah.
The next day.
Snapping picture, we're running late. Let's be going. You guys, we're not snapping picture, we're running late. You guys, we're running late for church. When I come back, we boiled the tomato all through the night. The tomato and the see my cuties. The tomato and the tatashi and all. But when we come back from church, that's when I'll get into the kitchen and start blending. How? When I get back, I would I would get into the kitchen straight up and start blending and doing my storage. You guys, comment below and let me know, how do I look with my blonde hair? I look beautiful. See my son say I look beautiful. I don't need your comments anymore. Yeah, my baby girl say I look beautiful, so I don't need your comments again. Just leave it. Let me head to church. This year I'm gonna be trying a lot of gold colors. So yeah.
Can you wear some?
Yeah. See our tomatoes.
Yeah.
This one is our tomatoes and our attache. Our tomatoes and our attache.
Mommy!
Our tomatoes and our attache.